I repaired this steam inhaler. Now let us see how fast we can get the steam from this. See, this is unedited clip. The water is cool. I am placing my hand. The water is cool, I can feel it. Now I am switching it on. Placing this. Now I am switching it on. See, in near about 15 seconds, it started giving. Sorry, it's hot. See, you can have a look. Just in 15 seconds, it's a cold water. I tell you how to do this. I am switching it on now. In 15 seconds, we are getting the steam. Almost all instantly. Once the water temperature is equal to room temperature, we will get the steam in maximum 15 seconds, 15 to 20 seconds.